Amazon isn't just innovating, it's transforming the way work happens. Generative AI, chatbots, and copilots were just the warm-up. Now, Amazon is moving toward Agentic AI, systems that plan, execute, and optimize multi-step workflows across multiple tools and processes, all on their own. This isn't future talk, this is happening today, inside AWS, logistics, retail, and customer service. Anywhere small efficiency gains multiply into billions of dollars, that's where Amazon is striking first. From copilots to autonomous agents. In early 2025, AWS made its intentions crystal clear. They formed a dedicated team focused solely on Agentic AI. Internal leadership emails describe this technology as a multi-billion-dollar opportunity, not just another feature. It's a new platform layer, a control plane that sits above traditional systems, capable of coordinating, executing, and monitoring complex tasks autonomously. And they're not shy about the implications. CEO Andy Jassy has openly stated that widespread AI adoption will change how work is done, shrink certain roles, and slow hiring for routine tasks, even as other areas grow. This is signaling the workforce, adapt or step aside. Where Agentic AI shines. Amazon's best applications are high-volume, rules-bound workflows, areas where search, checking, routing, and logging dominate. Examples include inventory optimization, predicting demand and reallocating stock automatically. Delivery mapping, AI systems improving location accuracy and delivery efficiency. Customer service, automatically resolving queries, rerouting, and escalating issues intelligently. Product content management, generating accurate product details faster and more consistently than humans. These are the workflows where small efficiency gains create massive enterprise impact. Consumer-facing agents. Autonomy becomes visible when money is involved. Take Alexa Plus and Rufus, Amazon's AI interfaces. Alexa Plus can monitor price drops and even purchase automatically once thresholds are met. Rufus helps customers find products, compare options, and make decisions, using generative AI with context from past shopping and current preferences. These systems aren't just assistants, they're autonomous agents operating within defined constraints, shortening the journey from intent to purchase. Amazon is effectively turning shopping into a multi-step AI workflow, executed safely and automatically. Amazon isn't stopping at interfaces. Oz is building the underlying platform for enterprise-scale agents. Amazon Bedrock agents orchestrate models and tools to execute complex tasks reliably. AgentCore provides runtime hosting, memory management, dashboards, and evaluation tools, making it possible to deploy, monitor, and secure autonomous agents at scale. This is Amazon's attempt to become the default control layer for enterprise AI, providing auditability, access control, and operational reliability. Workforce and governance implications. Autonomy changes everything for the workforce. Fewer people are required for repetitive corporate tasks. New roles emerge for designing workflows, governing AI, ensuring security, and auditing outcomes. Governance is no longer optional, it's baked into the AI infrastructure. Amazon is signaling a future where humans supervise the systems that supervise work, not the other way around. The big picture, enterprise impact. Amazon's AI journey is a blueprint for how enterprises will adopt Agentic AI. Productivity gains come not from spinning up a new model but from orchestrating agents across high-value workflows. ROI is real where AI integrates into manufacturing, logistics, cloud operations, and retail. Energy, governance, and execution control will define who scales successfully. This is a strategic shift, not a tactical one. The companies that fail to adapt will be left behind, while leaders capture billions in operational efficiency and market advantage. Final thoughts. Amazon's approach shows the future of AI isn't just smart models. It's autonomous, agentic systems that act, decide, and execute. Jobs will shrink in routine areas. Workflows will become smarter. Efficiency will explode. The AI experiment is over. The age of autonomous enterprise agents is here. And Amazon is leading the way. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more high-impact AI insights. Support FlowVision AI so we can keep bringing you smarter, sharper content every day.